Guten Tag, everyone. We are European volunteers who work for the HP Association in Warsaw, Poland. Here is Mathilde.
Bonjour.
She is from Portugal. Here is Florian.
Dzień dobry.
He is from Germany. And here is Elisa.
Bon dia.
She is from France, like me, and I'm Jordan.
As you already know, we can't meet us in dance this summer. However, we want to keep the link with you and keep the flame of European Jamboree lit by sharing podcasts and videos. In this way, we can continue to live the international exchange, we can continue to act.
This year is a challenge for the world. Christmas will be different and you can make a difference. Are you ready for the challenge? Then we are going to launch a sustainable Christmas. Is the challenge we have for you. Let's leave some ideas for you to decorate this Christmas for a few days. 3 days and 3 videos. We count on you to make the world a little better than you found it. Let's do this?
We can do that.
Welcome to our first video. We want to do with you our first sustainable Christmas tree. For this, we have
A material like 3 branches with different size and approximately the same diameters, scissor, and a string. Okay, so the goal is to organize each branches with the longest at the end and the shortest on the top. This, and after we'll use string for accrocher.
for fix it.
For fix it.
Let's order. So I would say we make it like this.
Mm-hmm.
We cut it here and then we fix it on this and this side together and they are the same length.
Okay.
And then here.
Mm-hmm.
I do this and now you
And now I'm the tree.
you are pulling. So now we are finished with our sustainable Christmas tree. If you like it, you can do also this by your own, like collect the branches and take a look in our material list.
And just for the realization of the Christmas tree, be careful between each branches, because if it's too long, it can be hard to fix on the wall.
And there is also another possibility to make a sustainable Christmas tree out of pine cones. The explanation is also added in our material list, and if you are interested, take a look in there.
So now we will do another decoration for Christmas. So what we will do?
A wood star. For this, we need wood pies, scissors, tape and glue gun.
So for one star we need 6 wood pins. So we take all the wood pins and we destroy it
Yes.
in 2 parts, all the 6 wood pins. So first of all, you took a tape, a little piece, and you make a loop with, like that, and you stuck it with the glue. And let dry just there. And after you take 2 pieces of
Wood
wood
pin?
pins,
Glue for the 2 parts.
so the back of the 2 parts.
Yes.
And for the first one, put your tape on one. first one and let dry. Yeah. And after stuck all the other together. So we have our 6 new wood pin, and now we stuck all of them together with the bigger part in the middle, like that. So there we are, and we can put some color paper in
color paper or painting the wood pines.
to make it more beautiful. We can try with color paper and to put it in the middle because there is a wall.
We have finished and we have put in our sustainable tree.
Oh, it's resistant!
Yes!
Good quality! Ta-da! So now clean and another decoration.
So now we want to show you our second decoration for the Christmas tree. For that we prepared some drinks, some ice and
Scissors,
red paper
a rope
and a glue gun
with the glue,
with glue of course, and string.
and all the things you can use to decorate, like paper or little pompon. You can take pills, all you want to decorate the...
And before you start, of course, take a look in our material list, and it's mostly easier to understand what we will do now. So we start with breaking the drinks a bit to different sizes.
Can
together.
I do a ring?
You want to do a reindeer?
Yeah.
Here.
So we will do 2
Reindeers.
reindeers. So for reindeers, look at the subtitles, okay? You need 3 twigs. Florian stick the twigs together, and me, I will prepare something to hang the decoration on the tree. So I take rope around one of the twigs, and after I stick the extremities. And after, put one eye in the middle of one twig and one eye in the middle of another twig. So if my rope is in that twig, one eye in this twig and one eye in this twig.
And for the topping, you take a nose.
Ta-da! Oh, cutie cute!
And now, and now we are one step closer to Christmas.
Yeah. So now we will do other little decoration with strings. I will do a star, and you
Yes,
will do...
a Christmas tree with a little bit string around.
So we do that now, and we explain it just after. So see you just after. You took my twins.
Oh!
So I have finished my little star, and Florian is on his way to finish the tree. I had need 6 strings, and I did 2 triangles, and I stick one on one, the first one there and the second one there, and after I put several little things. If you have pills, you can put pills. If you have paper, you can put paper, something like that. And I will put it in the wonderful tree.
So now we are finished with our Christmas tree. looks like that. Firstly, you put the twins, glue them together, glue the rope around that it is fixed, and then you can glue some red points on it for the Christmas feeling, and then it's finished and you can decorate your Christmas tree.
A tree on a tree.
So
Tree section.
that's it. Enjoy it, take a look in our material list if you need something.
Yeah. Thank you.
In this video we made several sustainable Christmas tree decoration. For the step-by-step explanation and for the pictures, take a look in our material list. The decoration is sustainable because the most parts are recycled or collected in the nature. If you need for decorating something else, try to take things you already have at home. And remember, think where you can get the materials, collect, have fun and enjoy the result. If you think our sustainable Christmas tree decoration video was helpful for your Christmas preparation, then keep an eye on our Facebook and Instagram page and like it and share it with your friends. Bye and see you soon.